What's cooking, foodies? Today we are making Montreal steak jalapeno poppers. This is my cousin Naomi's truly dynamite recipe. She also makes these with banana wax peppers, definitely a must-have during barbecue season. Here are today's ingredients and they can be found in the description box below. Cut your steak into thin strips. I'm using thin chuck steak. You can also use flank steak, which is also very tasty. Marinate your steak for 15 minutes in Montreal steak seasoning. To make your marinade, add 1/4 cup water, 1/4 cup oil, 2 tablespoons white vinegar, steak seasoning, and give it a good mix. Add marinade to your meat, making sure it is well coated, and leave for 15 minutes in the fridge to marinate. Cut stems off jalapenos and cut lengthwise. Remove your seeds and membrane with a spoon and a knife. Go ahead and stuff with cream cheese. Wrap steak around jalapenos, securing with a toothpick. Then place on the grill for about 5 minutes on each side. And you guys, this smells absolutely amazing. Don't forget to take out the toothpicks before you eat, and enjoy.